Hello, it's Pup's Life. You are watching Top 5 Best Bird Toys. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. SUCCUNA Bird Toys. This bird toy suits for parakeets, cockatiels, conures and various type of small birds. Hanging the bright colored bird climbing toy in the bird cage gives your parrot a sense of returning to nature. Number 4. Cokliomc Bird Toys. Pure pepper wood, made of apple tree, no paint, no pungent chemical smell, pepper wood after deep cleaning, fruit and vegetables, at the same level of drying, so that the bird healthy chewing, playing. Number 3. Kewkont Bird Toys. Made from corn cobs, natural rattan balls and Macau food coloring, they are handmade, colorful and harmless to pets, while increasing the bird's interest. You can easily attract parrot birds to chew, and they will spend long hours playing with these toys every day, keeping your parrot busy, less destructive and more fun. Number 2. OINEEDU Bird Toys. It is made of natural wooden rattan, which can be chewed safely and hygienic, without glue, wire or plastic. Hand-woven hanging bird toys are perfect for birds that tend to chew, bite, forage and hide snacks. Number 1. KATUMO Bird Toys. This bird foraging wall toy meets small birds' daily needs, matched with vivid colored toys, can easily attract cutties' attention, encourage their ability to climb and nibble. This parakeet toy provides small parrot birds an elevated place to perch and explore, can help them avoid boredom, depression and destructive behaviors.